Hi, what's up? So, I know I haven't uploaded a video in a long time, but I was really busy. I had two of my friends' weddings, and I was gone for a long time, but I'm back, and I just bought the tune for my car from Boot Mart, whatever you want to say, and then I'm gonna tune it tonight. I'm just waiting for the cable to arrive, and then I'm gonna tune it tonight, and then I'll let you guys know how much power gains I make and how much of a difference it is between stock and this one. So stay tuned. So, as you guys know, I tried tuning my car with Boot Mart last time. That did not go how I planned it to go. But what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to Canton, Ohio, and there's this performance shop called Revolution Performance. They said they can unlock my ECU. But let's see what they can do. They just got a software update, so they said they might be able to do it, but that's the only shop in Ohio that might be able to do it. Otherwise, I will have to send it out to Keys Motorsports in New Jersey, and then I'll have to take my ECU out and then ship it to them, and then they'll be able to do it. But let's hope that this shop can do it for me, because that was my only hope. Because there is no other shops that could do my ECU. I thought my ECU was unlocked when I bought the tune, but unfortunately when I took my car to BMW last time, they did a software update, and now it's on the latest software, I believe, for which you have to get your ECU unlocked. What they basically do is they lock your ECU so that you can't do a flash tune on your car through the OBD port. So I just need to get that unlocked, and hopefully they can do it. Fingers crossed. But yeah, I'm 30 minutes away, I believe. So let's see. So we're here at the shop, Revolution Performance. Hopefully they can do it. He said give him a couple of minutes and then he's gonna pull the car in and see.